Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can send personal messages to yourself in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Zangi app on your phone. After you have opened it, you can see the settings or the gear icon on the bottom right hand corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then you can see the personal messages. Go ahead and tap on personal messages. And as you can see, this is your personal space. You can text to yourself, send the to-dos list, and files and links. Everything is kept locally on your device and it will not be shared with anyone. So you can see that if you go to gear, go to personal messages, you can write anything you want and save it for later. You can also use the camera, gallery, location, file and contact option, and you can also send in original size, but you must need to subscribe for the premium version of it, so you can use this functionality if you want. So you can send the voice message as well with the microphone permission added to Zangi. So go ahead and click on continue, and you can give anything or you can send anything for later. You can also clear the chat if you want. You can click on the three dots icon on the top right hand side and you can see the wallpaper, clear chat, shared media option. All functions are here. So you can use this function and you can easily send it for later or save it for you later for yourself. I hope this video about how you can send the personal message for yourself in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.